Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you want to control the sizing of certain elements in your pages, you can use the width and height properties in your style sheets. The value you assign can be in points, pixels, centimeters, millimeters, inches, picas, x height, or m, or as a percentage of the total page size. This example shows our style tag, the ID tag for big, the height attribute set to 150 pixels, and the width set to 200 pixels. And we have the paragraph selector, the height set to 30 pixels, and width set to 140 pixels. Paragraph, our image with the ID big, and the regular image with no styling. So your browser will show constrained paragraphs, the image we resized, and the normal size of the same image.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.